Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q60, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode and also remove a screen lock in the process. So let me just first lock the device so you can see that there is a screen lock like this one. And I'm gonna begin from here as though I don't know the pattern to it. So number one, you want to hold power key and volume down. Now make sure that your screen is on while doing so you can see the countdown. And what you want to do, I'm gonna describe it before I begin. So you're gonna hold both of those keys. The phone will restart, and the moment you see the LG logo, you will let go of the power key and then press it again once more while continuously holding the volume down. So let's begin. Power key, volume down, both keys at the same time. There is the countdown, 3, 2, 1, and it's off. And logo, let go, hold it back up. And there we go. So we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you want to use volume keys to select yes, like so, and press power key to confirm it. And then again select yes to confirm that process, and it will now begin. Now this will take approximately a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, and thank you for watching.